Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome you all again in the virtual learning system of Pakistan International School Taif, Saudi Arabia. Dear students, as you know that this is Pakistan International School Taif virtual class for class 10 students, subject computer science, and today is our 25th lecture. A teacher name Imran Ahmed. As you know that in the previous lecture we were discussing about the chapter number 4 lab activities. Already we have done few questions, few programs related with the lab activities of chapter number 4. First was write a program that reads a number and prints its square if it is larger than 10. So this one is the program is present. Second was write a program that reads two numbers and print the larger. Third program was write a program, write the above program using conditional operator. It means that we will have to convert the same question number 2, this program, into with the help of conditional operator. Number 4, related with the multiple if, write a program that reads a number n and prints a message on the based on its value as given below. So if the value of n if the value of n is greater than 0, then this message will be appeared on the screen. If the message is if the value of n you have entered is less than 0, then this message will be appeared on the screen. And if the value of n you have assigned during the runtime is equal to 0, then this message should be appeared on the screen. It is equal to 0. So for this purpose, we have generated or we write the code for the program stereo.h. This was our previous lecture. So already we have performed this program. Enter a number, watch here, enter a number and scan f percentage d ampersand n. So if the value of n you have assigned is greater than 10, then the corresponding message should be appeared on the screen with the help of printf statement. Watch here, it is positive number. If you have assigned the value n having the value 10, then this message it is positive number. But if you assign minus 10 or minus 5 below the zero number, it means that if you assign n minus value, then this message will be appeared on the screen for any negative value. But if you assign 0 to n, then this message will be appeared on the screen. After that, this program we have write in the IDE. I show you the different, I assign the different temperature values to the variable t and checked which message should be appeared on the screen. So criteria is given in the program. Criteria is T is greater than 35 if the temperature, T means temperature. So variable T we have used because book says you will use the T variable instead of writing the complete temperature. If T is greater than 35, it is hot, this message will be appeared. If T is within the range 20 to 35, then this message will be appeared on the screen. And if T is less than 20, so this message will be appeared on the screen. For this purpose, we have write the program. Watch here, we have already explained this program in the previous lecture. So enter temperature, temperature is 33. Watch here, 33 is in the range of this one because 33 is greater than 20 and 33 is less than 35. So it means that this message will be appeared on the screen. Today our topic, next important question, we will perform this question in our IDE after the explaining this one. Write a program that reads marks of a subject. So keep in mind, this is marks and they assign a variable name m. It means that I will not write the complete word marks. I will use m for the variable of a subject and prints the letter grade as given below. What, as you know that this criteria you should have to follow this criteria. Each and everybody knows that at this stage that the which grade you have achieved in your examination. So if your marks is greater than or equal to, but I think equal to is not written in your in the question. If the marks is greater than 80, then this message should be appeared on the screen that you have achieved the grade A. If the marks is between 60 to 80, then this message should be appeared on the screen. It means that your grade should be B. If marks is between the range of 40 and 60, then this message C grade will be appeared on the screen. And if the marks is less than 40, it means that student becomes fail. So watch here, we will have to write the program and we will generate the code for this program. This criteria, I know this criteria is not apply in our school system or federal board, because if the marks is greater than or equal to 80, then there the student have achieved the A plus grade. If the marks is greater than 60 and less than 70, so according to federal board criteria, it is A grade. Anyway, but you will have to follow the same criteria which the question is given. So question give us this criteria. So we will follow this criteria. We will not follow the any other criteria to write the program. Okay, hash include stereo.h, hash include conio.h. Stereo.h means standard input output, just for revision, and conio.h means console input output dot header. Void main, watch here, I take the single variable of type integer which having the name m. M is the variable of type integer. Clear screen. Now after the clear screen, printf enter marks. So this is our message. This message will be appeared on the screen after the executing the program. Watch here. This is the message. Enter marks. Now with the help of scanf function, I will read the value of marks. It means that we will assign marks a value. Let's say we assign the marks value is 67. Now we will check for each and every possible condition for the if the marks of student is 67, which grade should we have to assign to him. So grading criteria is present over here, so we will follow the same criteria. Now the condition becomes look like this: if marks is greater than or equal to 80, now marks is, we assign the m value 67. 67 is greater than or equal to 80. So this condition becomes false. When the condition becomes false, so compiler will not follow the following statement. After the if statement, this statement will not be executed. Next one, for the checking of the next, now we have used the else if statement. Else if m is greater than or equal to 60. So you have assigned the m is 67. Keep in mind 67 is greater than 60. This condition is true. And m is less than or less than 80. This condition is also true because 67 is less than 80. Now in case of logical AND operator, when the both conditions becomes true, this condition is true and this condition is also true. I told you the logical operators are used to combine the making the compound condition. So this is the compound condition. We have joined the two condition to make the single one condition. So both the condition in case of AND operation, I told you very in the previous lectures that in case of AND operation, all condition must be true. So this condition is true and this condition is also true. So when the both condition becomes true, then this statement will be executed. So printf \n grade B. So watch here, grade B, this message will be appeared on the screen, output screen, when we have assigned the marks as 67. Next condition is look like this, else if m is greater than or equal to 40 and m is less than 60. Now criteria is check here. Okay, 67 is greater than 40, but 67 is less than 60. This condition becomes false. So true and false result will be false. So this message will not be appeared on the screen. Now this is the outer else. It means that this else belongs to this one if no condition becomes matched. If no one matching the condition, then what happened? Then this message will be appeared on the screen, grade F. So this is the program for writing, for grading, to find out the grade of the student. So we will follow the same program, we will follow the same criteria, and we will check what will be the happen and how to write this program. Open C Turbo C++ IDE, start. Hash include studio.h, hash include conio.h, void main, integer marks, and m is the variable used for the marks. Clear screen, printf backslash n. Before each and every printf you can write the backslash n, so your output for the each printf statement will show on the new line. Enter marks of student. So this is the message, scanf percentage d comma ampersand address operator. So marks is this one. Now criteria is this: if the marks is greater than, if m is greater than, so equal to 80 is also there, because if I not apply the 80, then if I assign 80 will not be counted in any grade. So we will assign, if the marks is greater than or equal to 80, then which message will be appeared on the screen? Now over here it shows me grade A. If you write the simple word printf backslash n, so capital A. So student have achieved the this grade. After that, else if marks means m is. Next condition was marks is greater than 60. Marks is greater than or equal to 60 and marks is less than 80. Now which message will be appeared on the screen for this criteria? Printf backslash n b. So the grade should be B. Next one, else if marks is, criteria was 40 to 60. Marks is greater than or equal to 40 and marks is less than 60, then according to this criteria, which message should be appeared on the screen? Printf backslash n. So grade C. Now, if any value is not depend on the same above criteria, not a 80, not a range within 60 to 80, not within the range of 40 to 60, then obviously the student becomes fail. So we will write the else, only else printf backslash n f, or you can write the complete word fail. Now this is the closing get ch and closing of main function. Now we will check this program according the criteria. One error is there. I think we have statement missing semicolon. Watch here, after the printf I didn't apply the semicolon, so semicolon is over here. Now if you assign the for example 67, message is appeared on the screen is B. Now again check this program, same program run. For example, you have assigned 88 and the criteria of 88 message should be A. Now again, if you want to run this program, computer becomes hang now because this is heavy when I execute the Turbo C++ IDE within the Zoom meeting, for recording the lecture. So after few minutes, Turbo C IDE becomes the Hangout. So this one is the Hangout. So you must have to write this same program in your IDE and practice this one. This is very, very important program belonging to the examination, and this will create your logic. Okay, next program. Just let me check again. It's not working. So I want to close this one. Okay. This program already we have done at the IDE. Next program is question number 7. Program number 7, lab activity, chapter 4. Write a program that reads basic pay of an employee and calculates the print the is net pay as given below. So net pay depend on the allowances and the basic pay. So over here, they give us the formula in the program, basic pay plus house rent. It means that when we combine the house rent plus basic pay, it will give us the net pay. But the criteria of the house rent should be look like this. If the basic pay is less than 25,000, then the employee will have getting the 30% of the basic pay. It means that we will calculate the 30% of basic pay when a salary basic pay is less than 25,000. But if the salary or the basic pay is in the range of this one, greater than 25,000 and less than 40,000, then which criteria should be followed? So basic pay house rent should be look like this: 40% on the basic pay, 40% on the basic pay. Okay, next, if the greater than 40,000, so this criteria, it means that 50% of basic pay we will have to apply. For this purpose, we are going to write the program hash include stereo.h hash include conio.h void main opening. Now watch here, I take the another variable. One is net pay, one is basic pay. And NP represent the net pay and BP represent for basic pay, and both are float variable. Both are float variable. Why I take the float variable? Why I didn't take the integer? Because in case of any halalas, like the let's say person salary is 60,000, 60 point something thousand point of, because the in the salary there is also possible of chances, possibility of the point values. So clear screen, enter basic pay. Now watch over here, we have to enter the basic pay. Scan F, percentage F. Why I take the percentage F? Why I didn't take the percentage D format specifier? Why I take the percentage F format specifier? Because we have taken the basic pay as float variable. So percentage F will be here, ampersand basic pay. If now which value we have to assign, we will check all the possible conditions. If you have assigned the value is basic pay less than 25,000, so this formula you will have to adopt. Now this is the formula, keep in mind how to find the house rent. So basic pay plus net pay is equal to basic pay plus, so this is the house rent, calculating the house rent for 30%. Basic pay divided by 100 multiplied by 30. Why I write the 30 over here? Because in the formula in the program they tell us the 30%. It means that 30. Printf net pay of the employee A is equal to percentage F and NP. So if the value of basic pay is less than this one, so this message will be appeared on the screen and his net pay will be shown on the screen. Now else if the basic pay is greater than 25,000, comma is, keep in mind uh, over here comma is not, you are not allowed to write the comma between the values. So comma is not allowed over here. Else if basic pay is greater than or equal to 25,000 and basic pay is less than or equal to 40,000, then calculating on the basic pay is net pay should be look like this: net pay plus basic pay divided by 100 multiplied by 40. So if you assign the value of basic pay in this range, so this message will be appeared on the screen. Which one is net pay of employee is this one, and NP. Else if basic pay is greater than 40,000, so what, which message will be appeared on the screen? So about the 40,000, as you know that we have assigned this one, else if basic pay divided by 100 multiplied by 50, one over mistake, and else, so this else should be outer if, else, so I will give printf percentage F. No need to, just for message I'm going to use for the message backslash n. Try again. Now if any value is not in the range of all of these three given ranges, so this message will be appeared on the screen. Which one is printf backslash try again. Get ch and the termination of the main function. So over here chapter number 4 is completed. Next chapter is loop control structure. Inshallah, tomorrow we will explain the next topic. Till take care of yourself. Pray for me. Pray for all Muslims. Allah Hafiz.